Hello friends, in the last lecture we have seen this basic configuration and now I am going to use Mongoose for MongoDB. So we have seen that we have make server.js and routes. Now we are going to use models for user. So here we are using Mongoose as a middleware between our application and MongoDB. We are creating a user schema. So we have two fields in our schema, name and password. You can add more attributes if you need. Now we are exporting mongoose.model. So we are naming our schema as user. This is the name of our schema. Now in user routes, we are going to import this user model. We are converting it into post and making the root register. We are getting the name and password attribute from the body of the post. We are creating a new user with the name and password field. Now we are saving this user in MongoDB. We are using arrow function, so no need of writing function explicitly. So if in case of error, we'll return error message, and in case of success, we return a success message. So error is the first argument of any callback. Now in our config.js, I'm going to write the DB URL. So if it is running in your local host, then the DB URL is like this. You can choose any DB name. I have chosen MyAppDB. I'm going to import Mongoose in our server.js, and now we are going to connect it to our MongoDB. So this callback has only one argument, as you can see, error. So now you can see that DB is connected. For that you have to start your DB in your local computer with mongodb. Now you can see that user is /user and then /register. So /user /register is the complete path for our API to register a user. Now I'm going to use Postman, and this is a post URL. In body we are going to provide name and password, that is the schema for user. We hit send and now you can see that user is registered successfully. If you can see in MongoDB, so I'm using MongoDB Compass, you can easily download it and you can see that users DB and the document is saved in MongoDB.